Single cell protein in genetic engineering, we had studied about transformation of microorganism by the introduction of genes of beneficial proteins. Insulin single cell protein refers to the protein context extracted from pure or mixed cultures of algae, yeast, fungi or bacteria. For the production of single cell proteins, the microorganisms are grown in bugs. इनके पम्प का क्या बना इन fermenters? These or microorganism utilize a variety of substrate. ISE भाई वाले पंप को छोड़ दो. Agriculture waste, industrial waste and natural gas like methane etc. Microorganisms grow very vigorously and produce a high yield of protein. The protein content produced by microorganism is also known as novel protein or mini food. सिंगल सेल प्रोटीन के बारे में पता ही होगा, आपको पता होगा कि प्रोटीन क्या है और हमारी हेल्थ के लिए कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है और कैसे है. We know that due to overpopulation, the world is facing the problem of food shortage. In future, the conventional agricultural methods might not be able to provide a sufficient supply of food for a better management of food shortage problems in humans and domestic animals. The use of microbes as the producers of single cell protein has been successful of experimental basics. The technique was वो फुनतरीन को जाओ एक दो वीडियो बनाए. The technique was food technologies believe that single cell protein will substitute the other protein rich food in human and animal feeds. All scientists recognize the significance of production of single cell protein. The microorganisms grow very vigorously and produce a high yield. It was been calculated that 50 kg of yeast produce about 250 tons of proteins. The yield of protein in 10 to 15 times higher than using yeast. The protein also contain high vitamin content. In the production of single cell proteins, industrial waste are used as raw material for microorganisms. It helps in controlling population. The use of single cell protein also made prospects in future protein independent of seasonal variations. ये अब इसके एक्सरसाइज है और ये रिव्यू एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस हैं और आई थिंक ये पेज आगे पीछे ये 148 है और ये 145 है. क्या बात है.
This is Pakistan, baby.
Endonuclease is breaking enzymes and ligase. The vector DNA and the attached gene of interest are collectively called recombinant DNA. Transfer of recombinant DNA into host organism. Recombinant DNA is transferred किधर है to the target host. In this way, host organism is transformed into genetically modified organisms. Growth of GMO. The GMO are provide subtitles culture medium for growth to give as much piece of gene interested. Expression of gene. The GMO contains the gene of interest and manufactures the desired products, which is the isolated from culture medium. ये ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए इनटू होस्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म हमने पढ़ा. उसके बाद हमने पढ़ा ग्रोथ ऑफ जीएमओ पढ़ा. फिर हमने एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ जीन पढ़ा. फिर यहाँ सिंगल सेल प्रोटीन के बारे में सारी डिटेल हमने रीड की, क्या है और कैसे सब कुछ.